Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far and welcome to today's video, which if you can't tell, I'm literally beside myself with excitement because I have a Charlotte Tilbury holiday stocking. Let me tell you, when I first started making YouTube videos and first started my YouTube channel, seeing these go out to beauty content creators every year was like, it was just like the most exciting, special thing ever that I always coveted so much. It was such an unbelievably special, exciting moment for me when Charlotte Tilbury, not herself, but the brand, contacted me to let me know that one was on its way to me. I shed a tear. I don't mind sharing that with you because you guys know how much I love the brand. And this is like the pinnacle of the brand, isn't it? This just represents everything Charlotte Tilbury to me. And I was utterly beside myself. It made my whole entire YouTube year. And I know how these stockings are like the ultimate dream come true for so many of us. And I know that other Charlotte Tilbury fans and stans like myself would literally sell a kidney for one of those stockings, and you can buy them this year, okay? They're not just for content creators, they're not just for celebrities. Anybody can snap one of these bad boys up, and they are full of Charlotte Tilbury full-sized products. So if you want to see what I think and all of my thoughts on the goodies inside this incredible stocking, then keep watching. Okay, so Charlotte Tilbury very generously, gloriously, beside myselfly gifted me one of these stockings for the holiday season so that I could share my thoughts with you. However, I am not allowed to tell you what is inside it because it's a mystery makeup stocking, okay? The mystery would be slightly ruined if I told you everything that was inside of it. So what I thought we would do today is play a fun little game, okay? I'm going to unbox my lovely stocking with all of the goodies inside, and I'm going to give you clues, I'm going to give you hints, I'm going to tell you whether I own the product, whether I've tried it, what I think about it, my experiences with the product, and you guys can guess the contents. I think this is going to be fun, right? And I know some of you are going to be cross with me for not giving away everything in the stocking, but that would really defeat the object, wouldn't it, of having a mystery makeup stocking if I just ruined the mystery for everybody. So this is a very limited edition release. I don't know how long it's going to be around for. It's special for Cyber Monday. I'm not sure. I can't tell you. I do not know. I'm not lying. I literally don't know anything. I barely know my own name these days. But it does contain 7 full-sized Charlotte Tilbury products and will set you back £98. Let's take a look at what's inside. Whenever these mystery boxes from Charlotte Tilbury, mystery stockings and other mystery items are released, I always think there's no point in me getting them because I'm such a Charlotte Tilbury fan. I'm going to own everything that's inside them. But let's find out if that is actually true. Okay, so the first item is an eye product. Everything in here, by the way, is makeup, not skincare, so it's all makeup, 7 full-size products. This is an item that would go on the eyes. I own many of them, and I absolutely love them, and I do have this specific shade, and it is, other than the limited edition ones that you can't get anymore, this is my favourite shade. So, do you know what that is? Tell me. I hope I'm allowed to do this, by the way. This may be the last stocking I ever get. Next up is a product I have never tried, I don't own. I'm going to swatch it. Oh, that's super pretty. That is very, very pretty. I don't own this. I don't own any of them, any of the shades or anything. It goes in the same location as product number 1. Oh, it's got a stunning shift and it would go gloriously with the first product, okay? So, any guesses? Okay, the next product is from the Pillow Talk family, and I was told that I was allowed to say that this next product is from the Pillow Talk family. It's for the cheek area, and I do own it. I do own it, and I do love it. And I do own this specific shade, and I think it's my favourite of all of the shades that are available. Any guesses? This is so fun. I don't know if this is fun for you, but this is a lot of fun for me. Okay. Okay, I don't own this. I have never tried it. I've always wanted to. And I feel like I was going to say, I feel like a lot of you will be very surprised. I mean, I think you'd be surprised that I don't own literally everything from the brand. It's my favorite brand. I own probably 95%, if not more, of the makeup. I have never tried this product at all, which is ridiculous, but I really, really wanted to. However, it does sell out quite often. And it's a product that I used to think was not for me, but I'm getting more into recently, and I have been interested in eyeing it up, but it keeps going out of stock. And I'm super excited to try this out because I have never tried this, and this is the specific shade that I've wanted to try and I've had my eye on because I've seen it look stunning on people. Guesses? What do we think it is? What's next? Okay, so this is something for the lips. I do own this. I do love it. If you watched my video where I tried this product for the first time, you will know that I was surprised that this colour worked for me, but I absolutely love it, especially in combination with another Charlotte Tilbury absolute gem of a product. It's beautiful. Specifically will look glorious on fairer to like light medium skin tones, but with a little bit of help can work stunningly, like it did for me, for deeper skin tones as well. Really, really beautiful lip product. Love it. Was very surprised that it worked for me in my review. That will give you a big clue if you watch my videos. Okay, this is something I don't own. Again, I can't believe how much there is in here that I don't own, and I have never owned it, but I am really excited. This is an absolute like staple, essential product. It is something that it's like a 2-for-1, okay? And I would say one of the 2-for-1, I do own by itself, but not as a 2-for-1. That's the most bizarre clue ever, but this is exciting. I'm swatching it right now. It's a dream. I have products in this family from Charlotte Tilbury, but not this specific one, and not in a 2-for-1 situation. These clues are either really obvious or utterly bizarre, and no one is getting any of them, or it's really obvious and you're getting all of them, and I'm probably in deep, deep trouble. I don't know which it is. Which way is it going to go? We don't know. Okay, you then get a free sample of Charlotte Tilbury's most iconic skincare product. That is a little extra sample in there. I think I can also say, I guess, that there's a free sample like foundation card as well, because that's not one of the 7 products. Okay, that's like an extra little bonus in there. Okay, so is that cheating? I'm going to be in so much trouble. Okay, and the final product is my absolute all-time holy grail in its category, in a stunning shade that I absolutely love. I have this product. I've loved this product. I've been obsessed with this product for many years. I've repurchased it multiple times. It's my holy grail, and I absolutely love and adore it. It's probably my number one. Is it? I don't know if I want to commit to this, but I'm tempted to say it's my number one product from the brand, bar none. So I feel like that's a dead giveaway. Okay, so I just went on the website and looked up all of the prices of the products in here, and it is nearly £200, not including the little samples in there, because they don't really count, you know, these products. This is why I never usually recommend advent calendars and things like that are full of like samples, and they'll say value $1 million, and really the value is nothing because it's full of like free samples that are normally free with your order. This is 7 full-size Charlotte Tilbury products, okay? The value, if you were to buy these products, it's nearly £200, so it's literally half the price. There are no duds in here. There's no weird, bizarre products that they're just trying to get rid of that are in really strange shades or anything like that. There's nothing that you won't absolutely get a lot of use out of. These are all like staple products. Some of Charlotte Tilbury's absolute best holy grail status products in here. So there are no duds. This isn't a trick. There's no load of samples that they're just trying to get rid of. It is literally her mainline glorious products in a stunning stocking that you could literally use forever. This is such a stunning quality stocking. It's absolutely beautiful, and I feel so lucky and so grateful to have received it. I'm beside myself, and it's a great deal. I can't believe there are several products in here that I don't own, because that is quite tricky to do when it comes to Charlotte Tilbury. You know how much I love the products and I love the brand, and I cannot wait to try some of these new products. Of course, the only reason I would ever have even been considered to receive a gift like this from Charlotte Tilbury is because of you guys and all of your support and help for my channel. There is just no way this would ever in a million years have happened without you. So the products that I already own from this incredible package will of course be going in my giveaway that is already filled to the brim with amazing Charlotte Tilbury products that I want to give back to my amazing subscribers. I'm thinking I'm going to put that giveaway in my November beauty roundup, so watch this space. It's coming very soon. A huge, massive thank you to Charlotte Tilbury for sending this to me. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate and value it, and how much it made my year to share this with you. I just feel so lucky. I still can't believe it. I still thought it wasn't really coming when they told me it was coming. I didn't believe it until I saw it with my own eyes. So I hope I didn't give it away so badly that I will never receive another package from Charlotte Tilbury ever again. This may be a horrifying mistake, but hopefully not. The stocking is now available. It will be linked in my description box down below if you are interested in picking it up. Thank you so much, as always, for all of your support using my links and just supporting me in general on my channel so that I can receive incredible products like this and share my thoughts with you all. I would not be here without you, so thank you so much for supporting me. It means the world. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I would love to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye.